Utilities. Let's see what they are and its use. Once installed, you will have access to a series of options that would allow you to integrate documents to Aura Portal directly from Outlook, Word and Excel, and from the Mac and Windows interface. To activate alarm bells so it can notify you the new tasks even when you are not actively using it. To activate the use of the certified signature in Word's interface. Who are they aimed at? To any employee or external user that needs any of the described options. Where to get them? They can be downloaded from Aura Portal website, private portal, resources, knowledge base, programs, AP utilities, or utilities button from the action bar in the employees portal. What do you need for its use? Access to Aura Portal with your employee or external user credentials. Besides, having installed Outlook, Word and Excel if you wish to use the Upload Documents option. Let's see the utilities real quick as they are still being developed. We cannot use them at the moment. So let's have a quick look. We have Document Uploader. It is very simple to use. We just have to right click on the document we want to upload, send to, and if we have the utilities installed, we can directly upload it to any part in our portal. A family, task, library, etc. Outlook, Word and Excel add-ons. It allowed us to upload the documents directly from Outlook, Word and Excel. For example, we open a Word document and we can go to the Aura Portal option at the top. That will only appear if we have the utilities downloaded. Now we can save it anywhere in Aura Portal. Warming bell. It notifies us every time we receive a new task and pending ones. We can configure it so we just receive a notification when the task is a new one or for the pending ones. Clicking on the message, we can access directly to our workflow or the Aura Portal's homepage. We can also configure it so it goes to a specific page when we click on the notification. Guarantee signature. This enables the certified signature. Once we have the document, we can access to these options which allowed us to create a signature allocation. Let's imagine we want the sales manager and the purchase manager to sign it. This way we will have to allocate 2 areas for the 2 signatures. The signature will be the one that the employee or external user has configured in the records. Connection settings. Let's see how to configure the connection. Once installed, from connection configuration, we can create the connection, name it, add the users that is going to access, the user's domain, etc. There are more options, like choosing if we want to be notified when the pending task or the new one or both, the duration of the warning, set it up so it checks the task every certain time, etc. Okay, now it's your turn to do part 11.